Okay, I'm testing the switch that I sent to Kevin Fong with my own door panel. This is my door panel switch, this is Kevin Fong's. Alright, I'm going to take the wires out. Set that aside. Alright, now I'm going to turn my car on and test the switch to see if it works. As you can see, the switch works, left side and right side. And let's try the mirrors. Left mirror works. Right mirror works. So he was wrong and he returned it on a false reason, so I would like my final value fees back and reimbursed it for the shipping fees that he made me pay for, because it was not really broken like he stated. It's just something wrong with his car. Thank you.